All right, this is the Seasons walk-up service restaurant here at Walt Disney World's EPCOT. We're gonna see what they have to offer in case this might be an interesting option for you. Walking past cash registers where you pay for your food, but this is what they call walk-up service. Here's some of the sweets that they have available. Got some croissants, bee cookies. They got little bees on there. It looks like honeycomb. Like there's birthday cake and chocolate chunk. They got some brownies. They got cereal for your kids in case you need something quick. Check out that bear claw. It almost looks like a bear's foot. Cinnamon roll, cornbread muffin. All right. Today's special is an orange cream milkshake. They do have the seasonal milkshake all the time, the tropical boba juice. Here's some of the prices for those muffins and brownies that I just mentioned. Over here to the right or left is the beverages. $4.49 for Coca-Cola, $3.79 for a Joffrey's coffee. If you're into tea, it's $3.79, and hot cocoa is $3.79 also. You just get it yourself. They do have some snacks right here where you can get some like M&Ms and chips. But here's the main course, what you get. Put some food in your belly. They got the roast beef sandwich for $11.29. And they have tacos here. Beef tacos for $9.99. Mediterranean vegetable sandwich for $9.99. They do have a kids menu that has a cheese pizza roll for $7.59. A pizza roll, or pepperoni pizza roll for $7.79. Right over here. All right, walking down a little further. This is a different section here. This is where you get your stir fry. So they get a chicken, stir fried chicken for $12.29. Magnolia beef for $13.49. Stir fry shrimp for $13.29. And those are the options there. And say you're a health or food or health nut, here is some healthy options for you. Health and wellness. Got bananas, but they got salads. They got pineapple cup, a mango parfait, powers, green salad, waters, and juices. All right, moving down a little further, they have some alcoholic beverages. White Claw. There's some of the workers working on some of the food right now. Here's some of the prices for the alcoholic beverages. Walk down a little bit further and there is the market items. And this is a look at the Seasons walk-up service. There is plenty of tables to choose from. And it's all air conditioned. That's one thing you got to kind of think about when you are here in Florida with these hot temperatures. This is a good place to sit, relax, recharge your batteries before you go back out into the parks. And this is what it looks like here in this space. So hopefully this gives you an idea of what to expect if you're thinking about places to eat here at Walt Disney's EPCOT.